on Fashion Nova haul. All the pieces I have are loungewear, like graphic tees. I have a couple pairs of pants, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, so the first top I have is a yellow tunic top. It says thick thighs save lives. I absolutely love this. The shirt is very comfortable, and it's also super long. I got this in a size 1X. I honestly could have sized down, but I still really like it. I also like the fact that the sleeves are so long and they're very airy. I was also showing you guys how stretchy the shirt is. This next top I love. It says your opinion doesn't pay my bills, period. I love it. I also love the length of these sleeves. The shirt is very comfortable as well. It's also very stretchy and it's really cute. I love shirts that have little sayings on it like this. This shirt is also a good length and it fits well. I did forget to mention that this is a 1X. Next, you guys, we have this Anything is Possible top. I love this. I've already worn it. I got a little pen mark on it somehow. I love this design, you guys. When I wore this shirt, I got tons of compliments. I ended up getting this shirt in a size large, so it's a little bit short, but that's okay. Next is this black tunic top. It says every day is payday. You guys, I love the money print design. It is so cute to me. The only thing that wasn't my favorite about this top were the sleeves. They're extremely boxy, and I know it's hard to tell on camera, but if you guys get this shirt, you'll understand. I'll probably end up cutting the sleeves up myself. This top was really long though, and I got it in a 1X. This, you guys, is just a plain white tee. I got it in a 1X. I really like the cut of it. I really love the neckline of this top, and I love how the sleeves fit. They're nice and snug. This top is not as long, but it's still a pretty good length. And I also wanted to add that this top is just a little bit see-through. And now, you guys, onto the bottoms. I got a pair of biker shorts and a pair of sweats. I got these biker shorts in a size 1X, and they are a little see-through, so be careful, you guys. I also really love the fact that they say baby girl. Next are these tie-dye orange and pink dreamsicle leggings. They're super comfortable, but they're also very see-through. And I did get these in a 1X. They are very stretchy as well. Last but not least, you guys, we have these Susie Carmichael pants. For those of you who don't know, Susie is from Rugrats. I absolutely love these pants. They're in a 1X. Purple's one of my favorite colors, and I have no complaints. They're also very stretchy, and you guys should definitely get these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you guys want to see next. And bye, guys.